Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Logitech H151 stereo headset. Now we are looking at the front side of the packaging. It uses a plastic clamshell packaging, so you can see everything clear as the sky. On the front, they've stated that it's meant for use with computers, smartphones, and tablets, and that it offers inline controls. Aside from that, there is no information that would be of importance. On the bottom, you have some legalese as well as importers information. On the back side, you have some features of note, namely that this offers stereo sound. It's got a rotating microphone boom. It's got inline controls, which is something we've seen on the front, and that the headband is adjustable. And on the bottom, we get some information regarding whatever is inside the box and what all devices it's meant to work with. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. The top cover just slides off, and on the inside, you have the user manual as well as safety and compliance information. It's a little compartment that opens up at the bottom that gives you access to the cabling. Then there's also the connector. So first, pull the connector out, slip it through the box or rather through the hole, and pull it out. Let's take a look at the cable length first. So this is a good 1.5 or rather a little more than 1.5 meters long. Then you have the inline controls that was mentioned on the packaging multiple times over. This thing has a little slider switch for muting the microphone, and there's a scroll for the volume controls. On the back side, you have a handy little clip to, let's say, clip it on your clothing. Jack is TRRS. That's because there's a microphone included, so it's tip-ring sleeve. There's no gold plating on the connector. And it's the usual 3.5mm audio jack. Then here's the headset. You've got the rotating microphone boom. This thing is not flexible and adjustable, so don't try that. There's a little opening on the front side for the microphone, and a little one on the back side as well. The headset, or rather the headband, is adjustable, as was stated. It's made out of plastic. We don't feel any metal parts. And the speakers do pivot and tilt, so you can adjust it as per your ears for your comfort. And it's also marked as right and left properly. So that's it for the unboxing of the Logitech H151 stereo headset. Thank you for watching.